Functions can not only take in values with arguments, they can also return using the return keyword within the body of the function. In our first example of a function call with a return value, we're going to look at message double. In the body of message double function in the code, we see return keyword. The return keyword is always followed by an object. In this case, it is the variable called double. The return value could also be followed by a literal string or a number or any object. What happens when you call a function with a return value? Here we call message double with the argument let's go in quotations, a string. The parameter phrase gets replaced with the value let's go in quotation. The variable double adds let's go with a space to itself. Double gets returned to replace this function call. When you call a function with a return value, the return value replaces the function call. Let's run the code. We see that the message let's go is printed. This is the value let's go because this function call is replaced by the return value. And we captured that return value in a variable and printed it. Let's look at a slightly lighter example. This has taken away all of the variables used in the body of the function, and we just use the parameter value. The function half value divides the value by 2. So when we call half value, we expect that it will be replaced by the return value. 42 is sent as an argument and is used in the parameter value and divided by 2. So we're going to get 21. Let's check and see. So that return value replaced the function call, and we printed it, and we see that it was a float value of 21. The keyword return allows a function to send back a value to the calling function.